Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a helpful feature in Google Drive that allows you to search specifically for spreadsheets. With the latest updates, finding the spreadsheets you own has never been easier. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. This will take you to your Drive homepage, where all your files are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the search bar at the top of the page. To refine your search, click on the Advanced Search icon located on the right side of the search bar. This icon looks like a small downward arrow and will open up a menu with more options. In the Advanced Search menu, you'll see various filters to help narrow down your search results. The first option is Type. Click on this drop-down menu and select Spreadsheets. This filter ensures that you're only looking at spreadsheet files, excluding other document types. Next, let's set another filter to find spreadsheets that you own. Look for the Owner option in the same menu. Click on it and select Owned by Me. This will filter out any spreadsheets that are shared with you or owned by others, allowing you to focus solely on your own files. Now that you've set these filters, click on the Search button at the bottom of the Advanced Search menu. Google Drive will display a list of all the spreadsheets you own. Take a moment to browse through the results. You can scroll through to find exactly what you're looking for. If you have many spreadsheets, using these filters can save you a lot of time and effort, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Google Drive, using the Advanced Search icon, selecting Spreadsheets and filtering by owner, you can easily locate any spreadsheet you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive effectively.